Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best tartar sauce, or should I say the best homemade tartar sauce in the world. Okay, now this is what I got. I have some Duke mayonnaise, that's a cup of that, but I'm going to use another half a cup with that. I have some pickles right here. These are dill pickles. You can use sweet relish if you want to. I'm going with the dill pickles. This is like a quarter cup of that, and that's chopped up. And these are some capers right here, and this is like a teaspoon of that. This is like a teaspoon and a half of olives, chopped up. This is some lemon zest right here. And then this one right here, I have some sugar. I have a tablespoon, not a tablespoon, but a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of granulated onion, and a pinch of garlic. And you're gonna need a lemon. So we're gonna use a tablespoon of lemon juice, okay? And that's what this is for, all right? I have a mason jar because I do want to save mine. And let's jump right into it, guys. Alright, we're going to start out with our mayonnaise. On that. Now you can use helmets too. I like Dukes. I just found out about Dukes thanks to my peoples on YouTube. They didn't even know nothing about it. Alright. We're gonna come in here with our pickles. I'm just gonna come with like a few of them. Now with your pickles, you do need to squeeze them out because it will leave a lot of juice. We're gonna come in here with our capers. We're gonna come in here with our olives. We're gonna come in here with like, I want to say a teaspoon. Let's go with half a teaspoon of the lemon zest. You can also use that to make you some lemon pepper. We're gonna come in here with our sugar, our garlic, and our onion. Put that in there. And if we need some more, we will. Check that out. Like, taste it. Yep. About a tablespoon. Mix this up, guys. Now the reason why I'm making this is because the next video you do want to watch, I'll leave a link right here, and I'm making a covert fish sandwich, homemade. Let me taste it. Now to me, it tastes good, but I'm gonna use some more sugar. So I said a teaspoon of that. You might have to do a tablespoon. It tastes pretty good. I probably didn't even need this. Put the rest of my lemon, not my lemon, my pickles in there. And you do want to let this like sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Let it get cool. Perfect. Perfect. And that's good. That's it right there. All right. So you want to put this in your mason jar. The rest I will be using on the sandwiches. Pretty good. Yep. Clean the sides though. And when this sits in your refrigerator for about an hour or so, it tastes even better. So all the flavors will come together. That's how you make the best in the world tartar sauce, homemade. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and clean this stuff up. I'll be right back in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. There it is, all day, every day. The best homemade tartar sauce in the world, in VELDOGG's Kitchen. So please, guys, I'm working hard for you now. I don't share these secrets with everybody, but I'm sharing them with you, okay? Because I want your stuff to be excellent. So please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please please don't forget to hit this bell. Hit that bell for me. Hit that bell, so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out. In the meantime,